Hello children, I know you're all gathered here today with DP Kids to see new creations being made. I'm just wondering if you have started to decorate your Christmas tree. I think if we have more decorations, the tree will look nicer. So we are going to make a beautiful star today. See, this is what we are going to make so that you can make many of these and add maybe even a little loop at the top like this so that you can hang them on the Christmas tree. So that this is what we are making today. So for this we'll need 2 pieces of paper because this final star has been made out of 2 separate stars. So the 2 pieces of paper should be the same size, and if they are thick, that'll help. I'll now show you how to fold one piece of paper. So fold it in this manner so that you'll get a triangle. Now open it up and fold it again on the other side to make another triangle. Okay, so now see, these 2 overlapping lines need to be kept in such a way so that they come inside when the paper is folded to make a rectangular shape. And then again on the other side to make another rectangle. So now if you open it up, you will see that there are folding lines on either side of the paper. Now we have to pinch on the 2 sides, forming a triangle, and then push it in. So see, and then we can get a bigger triangle with 2 other small flaps so that we have altogether 4 flaps. So that this is the star that we are making, but these little hands need to be a bit thicker. So let's see how to make that. Now press it in hard so that you have 2 triangular flaps on either side. So once you press it in like that, now we have to find the middle of this piece of paper. So bring that left-handed edge, slightly push it in until that point. Okay, so until that line only should you bring the right hand side edge in. So from this, where it's all the intersection, or where they are all overlapping each other, is the middle. Now using a pair of scissors, let's cut across until you come to that point that we marked. Now see whether all 4 pieces have been cut like this. Okay, now it's properly cut. So we are going to open it up like this. And when we are opening it up, these little pieces that you might have cut off, do remove them. Now look at the 4 pieces that you have with 2 folding lines. So press it in from either side along those folding lines. Now like this. So if there are any protruding, sticking out parts, take them out so you have a perfect star. But if we don't attach the two flaps together according to the size we want, the star might shift in size. So you can staple those flaps together, but make sure it comes to the bottom of the flaps when you staple. Because otherwise, when we paste the other star on top of it, it might be a bit difficult to paste. Make sure that both the flaps that you put together are the same size when you are joining them. So now even this is enough as a star, right? But let's make another so that we have another star like the yellow one over there. So I'm going to show you how the second one is made very quickly. Press it in, mark the middle, and only press until the middle point. And then cut up until the middle point. See whether all 4 pieces have been cut. So mine haven't been cut on this side, so I'm just putting in a little cut again. Any pieces that are not included and they are sticking out, remove them, open it up. Then the flaps of those little square pieces, fold them in. Okay, now we have both the stars we need. So this is not only for Christmas, but different colored stars can be used for any function for decorations. So if you make it smaller, you can even paste it onto a Christmas card. Now we are going to look at how to put this together. If you want it like this, you can even do it by pasting one on top of the other. But if you want a twinkling star, you might have to keep the stars in such a way that the hands are on different sides, pointing to different sides. But since it'll take some time to paste, I'm going to use double-sided tape. Now, make sure that when you're pasting the double-sided tape onto the star, that you won't be able to see it from the right side, right? From the side that you're looking at it. So make sure that the piece or the double-sided tape piece comes towards the middle of the star and not out from it. It's easier to use narrow strips like this. Okay, now keeping the other star on top of it like this, let's get them to stick to each other, but don't press on too hard because otherwise you'll harm the shape. So if we make this smaller, we can hang it up on the Christmas tree. But if we want to decorate somewhere else, we can use a piece of thread like this, and using double-sided tape, we can attach it onto the star. And once you have that loop, you can hang it. So make sure to make a big star like this and lots of small stars like this, and make your Christmas tree prettier. Do join DP Kids whenever you can, so that we can make Christmas even nicer. See you soon.